Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change aiming sensitivity on Frag Pro Shooter game. So let's get started. First, open the Frag Pro Shooter game on your device. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. In the general settings, you can find the aiming sensitivity option. To change your aiming sensitivity, simply drag the slider next to the aiming sensitivity option. Move it to the right to increase sensitivity or to the left to decrease it. Adjust it according to your preference for the best aiming experience. And this is how you can change aiming sensitivity on Frag Pro Shooter game. Thank you for watching my Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.